Good morning.
Happy 4th of July, everybody.
Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. As Justin said, today is the 4th of July, and we are getting ready to head out and do one of our favorite 4th of July traditions. We are up bright and early this morning, and we are headed to go do some yard sales. A community near us does a whole bunch of yard sales today, every 4th of July. So we are headed to that this morning. Hi, buddy.
There's our boy. Where's our boy?
He's ready for work.
He's really taken a shine to Kelly's office.
There's my boy.
Good boy. Mwah, love ya. Yeah, you're a good baby. All right. So, yeah, with it being early, the lighting's a little off, guys. Just, you know. But come along with us for our journey today. It's gonna be a fun one. We got our first purchase this morning. Cal got the Porta Lounger for $5.
Yeah, I wanted it for the beach, and I was looking at them, and they're like 25 bucks. So $5 for a brand new one.
Good deal already. It looks brand new too.
Yep.
That's
Right there's the price tag on it. 25.
There you go. Yep. Never been open. Cool.
Compare at 50. It says.
Well, I'm not doing that. I'm comparing at 5. In this area, there's like what do they call it? Like a mile-long yard sale?
Yeah, like every other house basically is having a yard sale.
We've been to quite a few since we bought that lounger thing.
I haven't found anything.
Not much yet, but you know, don't count it out yet. We've got
like
plenty
tons
more.
Of them.
We barely even scratched the surface here. Barely started. So just hang on, fellas. Just hang on. Oh, here comes your mom.
We've been to a few more sales, and I got this cute little crocheted heart for my niece. Justin got some shorts, swim trunks and shorts.
Update. We're still trekking. We've officially hit walking a mile so far.
It's hot.
It is. What?
It's like humid. I think.
It's supposed to be 90 degrees. With 90 degrees, it gets a little extra hot. I can feel the humidity, and I can see it in my hair. It's like I feel like personally that I'm the problem is we're stuck out here in the middle, and I need to use the bathroom, and there's nowhere to go. So, but maybe we'll find our way back, looped around to that church or something here soon. So.
Yep. There he goes. It's gonna. Now what'd you buy?
I'm gonna have to clean up my lawn. Out there. Huge. What's the temperature out now? I think it was close to 90 last time I checked.
That didn't look. It's fine.
But we're still going, and oh, you just saw my cricket. Never mind. This must be the huge one over here.
Yeah, because it goes like down their driveway and stuff.
Wow. You can add them to your salt and pepper collection that you don't have yet.
If I had one, I would. It's a cute little one. That is cute.
Oh yeah. Look, Cal, a cat clock. You hogging the fan?
Shit is weird.
Oh, check out that hat.
No.
Kelly's always looking for Mary Kate and Ashley things. but none. None so far today. We've looked at a lot of movies.
I think I have almost all of them.
We stopped at the Sam's Club to get some stuff for a cookout. And now we paid on the app, which is great. I think you can avoid the lines. However, you gotta wait in line still to get checked on the way out. So we stopped to get a little bit of Chick-fil-A. Waiting for the order. Right, Cal?
Mm-hmm.
Quick brief nap time before dinner with Trent again. Oh, look, there's the whole gang here.
No, I don't know. Tony said that Linda might have left.
We are heading to our friend's house for a 4th of July picnic. We just went to the store to get a couple things, and then we also stopped by the firework tent and spent some money on some fireworks because they had some to do, and so we just got a couple more to do with it.
Just for the heck of it. Because you know what? I've never bought them before. I've never actually done it.
They didn't even make us like register or anything.
They didn't check my ID. Well, I mean, look at me. I mean, you can tell them.
Yeah. So we'll bring you along for our evening, but that's where we're headed now. We got slushies because
It's hot out.
it's hot and we were thirsty.
90 degrees. It looks like, I don't know, it's getting pretty cloudy back there, and it kind of looks like a storm could pop up. But when it gets this hot and this humid and muggy, they really could pop up at any time, anywhere. So you just never know.
Yeah.
Even 9. Yeah, there you go. They're good. Like, they're good burgers.
He was asking where my dad lives, and I told him he lives in heaven with your dad.
Oh, yeah. We got fresh bacon. They're burgers over here. Oh my.
Time to flip them.
Man, they look good.
Yeah.
They smell good.
This thing gets hot quick. Oh, yeah.
That's about perfect on them.
Yeah.
Did we bring the cheese down?
Yep.
All right, cool. Are you doing the hot dogs on there or on the flat?
I don't know. What do you think? I think maybe the hot dogs on here and then
The skewers over there?
the skewers and the brats on the...
Oh, yeah. Brat's definitely on the flat with that bacon.
Okay.
Okay. Just like Burger King
got
does.
flame kiss here. This thing gets boiling hot. Like, that thing...
That grill is hot.
How would you pronounce S-O-S-I-E? S-O-S-I-E. S-O-S-I-E. That's her name. That's his daughter's name. Sauce Bacon. She said, she's on this place, bacon.
Oh, we have another bout of rain coming in.
It's just about 9 o'clock and we are headed out to set off some fireworks. And yeah, dinner was delicious.
Oh my. I eat a lot like I usually do. I have been doing well. I've been eating, pushing myself better and you know, doing a better walk and stuff in the evening. I've been doing all right. But, you know, it's a holiday, so.
We walked 3 miles a day too.
We did walk 3 miles today. Good job. Boom.
evacuation plan. If this tips over, get in the house.
Well, I'm gonna climb in the trailer. The camper. All right.
Here we are, the Colortopia 25 shot. That looks level. Looks pretty sturdy, right?
Yeah, shouldn't that be facing upward though? Yeah, like that way.
Like that way?
I
Shoot
think.
it?
Well, if you look,
Yes.
all the little tubes in there,
Oh, yeah.
that would have shot it toward the tree, I
Oh my
think.
god. Yes. Why would they put the fuse up top like that?
I don't know.
That's right, right?
That's what my assumption would be, because why else would they do it that way? They should put a big arrow on there.
I think that's right.
But that, judging by the tubes in there and everything, I'm thinking that it's going to shoot up and out.
Yeah, you're right. Okay. Here we go. Want to be like a little sparkler. Nice.
Nicely done, Dad.
Wait. Oh, that one got higher than I thought.
Yeah.
Ending the night in front of the AC watching The Sandlot.